So, good morning everyone. So, today is the day 2 of our course. I know कि आज संडे है और आज छुट्टी रहती है, लेकिन हमारा कोर्स तो आज भी शुरू है, तो हमें तो जाना पड़ेगा. But no worries, we are getting a holiday tomorrow on the Monday. So, maybe कल छुट्टी के दिन हम कहीं तो घूमने जाएंगे और कुछ नया एक्सप्लोर करेंगे, लेकिन फ़िलहाल आज तो कोर्स के लिए जाना है. तो चलिए चलते हैं और थोड़ी पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं. लेट्स गो. सो हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल. सो आज का दिन ख़त्म करके, आज का कोर्स का शेड्यूल ख़त्म करके मैं अभी आ चुका हूँ अपने हॉस्टल पे. और आज मेरे पास आप सबको देने के लिए एक बहुत ही बढ़िया न्यूज़ है. आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू शेयर इट विथ यू गाइस. बट बिफोर आई डू दैट, आई थिंक आई नीड टू गिव अ ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ माई सेल्फ to everyone who is watching it, because some of the people are new who don't know me and what do I do and where am I from. So, and जो लोग मुझे जानते हैं पहले से, they don't know that what am I doing in Mumbai and which course am I in and what do I study. And people keep asking me that what do you do and which course you are in, क्या पढ़ाई कर रहे हो अभी. So I think it would be better if I give a brief intro about myself to every one of you. So, hello everyone, I am Krunal Lunasia. I am basically from Rajkot, Gujarat, and I am a student of homeopathy. I have completed my BHMS UG 4 years, and I am currently, technically speaking, I am still an intern in homeopathy. And likewise, I've also completed the that period of internship whichever I have to do at my college. So yeah, basically I'm an intern in homeopathy and I'm a homeopathic doctor. And currently I'm at Mumbai and I am pursuing the course of clinical hypnotherapy, and I am doing this from the Eka Institute, Andheri, Mumbai. So yeah, that was the answer for all of the course thing. एंड ऑल्सो आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर कि बेसिक थिंग कि ये जो कोर्स है मेरा, इट हैज़ 5 लेवल्स एंड ईच ऑफ द लेवल हैज़ डिफरेंट टाइम लाइन्स. मतलब कोई लेवल कुछ टाइम का होगा, कोई बड़ा लेवल है, कोई शॉर्ट पीरियड का लेवल है. सो दोज 5 लेवल्स हैव डिफरेंट टाइमिंग्स. And today, the news which I want to share with you, that today I have completed my level 1 for clinical hypnotherapy, and I have finally got the certification for the level 1, and here it is. So this is my certification for the level 1. And yeah, you must be thinking that yesterday only I just uploaded the vlog which says first day of my course, and today I'm showing you the certificate. So let me clear that first level is a basic one, so it doesn't require that much time. उसमें इतना ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता. So it was only for 2 days and the basic level is completed, and I have also received the certification for the basic level. And but yeah, this is not the end. अभी मुझे 4 लेवल और करने बाकी हैं. 4 लेवल के बाद there will be a dissertation submission, a case study of 10 patients, and I'll do the whole research work and dissertation and synopsis like we do in our UG degree. And then I'll submit my dissertation work, and then I'll have to pass an exam, and then after I will get the final certification for practicing hypnotherapy and establishing a clinic. So yeah, this was it. And I'm so excited and so happy because today I received the certification for first level, obviously. And the sessions are very much informative. The people are very kind, and I'm getting to meet new people. know their experiences and learn from it. And also in the course, I am learning so many new things and uh, gaining new knowledge, and it is adding to my uh, क्या बोलते हैं कि existing knowledge. So the sessions are so much informative, they are so good, and the chance to meet new people is always good. It is always informative and it teaches you a lot of things. So it is going so well, and I hope you guys are doing well too in your lives, at your home, and wherever you are. And uh, too, and yeah, I'm happy for myself too that I'm here and I'm pursuing this course. So for today, I think this was it, and this was all of the today's story. The main part was me getting the certification, and I'll also add the photo of me receiving the certificate and the certification for level 1. So hope you guys like it, and yeah, maybe I'll show you the rest of the part of my hostel that I did not show earlier. So today I'm gonna show you that. So stay tuned and enjoy it. So as I said before, let me show you the rest of the part of the hostel that is remaining. So we are going upstairs. See, this is the fridge between the floor, and upstairs we have a terrace and a mini gym. Also the washing area is on the terrace. We have okay, rather than telling you guys, let me show you guys what do we have. So this is, we are going to terrace. So this is the terrace area. Let me show you. So first this is the place जहाँ पे हम कपड़े सुखाते हैं, एंड दिस इज़ द वॉशिंग एरिया. सो इधर पे हमें 3 वॉशिंग मशीन दी है. इसी में हम कपड़े धो के फिर यहाँ से सीधा इधर पे सुखा देते हैं. सो इधर हमें हाथ से कपड़े नहीं धोने पड़ते, इन लोगों ने वॉशिंग मशीन दी रखी है. सो दैट्स अ प्लस पॉइंट हियर, जो कि मुंबई में बाकी सब जगह पे थोड़ा मुश्किल है मिलना. लाइक मिल भी सकता है, बट यू नेवर नो. इट डिपेंड्स कि कौन सी जगह है, क्या क्या अकोमोडेशन वो लोग दे रहे हैं. एंड दिस इज़ द रेस्ट ऑफ टेरेस, एंड हियर वी हैव अ स्मॉल जिम एरिया. I know it's pretty small, but it's enough. I mean, if you know all the exercises, the equipments are enough. Here we have the punching bag. This is for chest and back muscles, and here we have the stand. Here we have the bicycle for the cardio. And here these are the weights. So we have from 2.5 kgs up to 10 kgs weight. So that's pretty much good. और हॉस्टल के हिसाब से तो it's more than good. And in a place like मुंबई, जहाँ पे अगर रहने को रूम मिल जाए तो बाथरूम नहीं मिलता, रहने को भी सिर्फ बेड मिलता है और सब चीज़ों में तो कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करना पड़ता है. उधर इतनी फैसिलिटीज़ मिलना इज़ अ बिग थिंग. सो या, द हॉस्टल इज़ प्रीटी मच गुड, एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट द पीपल who are willing to come to Bombay that you can also stay here. It is a very nice place. The prices are almost average, not that much high, and the facilities they are providing is pretty much good. Considering the prices in Mumbai, it's pretty much low. So yeah, this is the view from the terrace. More of it has buildings, but yeah, मुंबई में तो आपको सिर्फ बिल्डिंग्स ही दिखेगी, और तो मुंबई से क्या ही एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो. एंड ये बाकी का टेरेस एरिया है. सो दिस इज़ इट. सो गाइस, दिस इज़ इट फॉर टुडेज व्लॉग. फिर मिलेंगे नए व्लॉग में. तब तक बाय बाय.